Hi, I'm Amy Snell, also known as the Devious Knitter. I'm going to demonstrate for you the quadruple wrapped stitch that occurs in the cast-on of the Glenborough cowl. When we get to the place where we need to add the quadruple wrapped stitch, we're going to put the right needle through the back leg of the first stitch on the left needle. We're going to wrap the yarn 1, 2, 3, 4 times around the needle, then draw it through, making sure we get all 4 wraps through. Before taking the stitch off, we're going to knit 1 stitch into the front leg. And that's the completed knit back front with the quadruple wrap on the back part of that stitch. Then we work the next 2 stitches and slide 3 stitches back to our left needle as usual. For more tips and tricks, watch my website www.deviousknitter.com or follow me on Instagram or Twitter as @deviousknitter.